Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in. It's your girl Beloved and I'm back with a new recipe for the channel. Beloved Catering Service is a business where we make all kinds of cakes, butter cookies, shortbread cookies, coconut biscuits, sugar cookies, brownies, ring donuts, meat pies, samosa, spring rolls, and all kinds of fruit drinks and fruit juices, especially sobolo. We also make all local rice dishes and Ghanaian authentic dishes. We cater for all events and occasions and any form of gatherings. You can contact us with the information provided on your screen. In today's video, we are baking easy vanilla cupcakes. Ingredients for today's vanilla cupcakes include 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence, 60 grams of lemon juice, 3 room temperature eggs, 1.5 tablespoon of condensed milk, 1 cup of full cream milk, 1 tablespoon of white vinegar, 1.5 cup of vegetable oil, 3 tablespoons of cornstarch, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, a half tablespoon of baking soda, 1/4 tablespoon of powdered salt, and 3/4 cup of butter. Before that, I would be very happy if you could subscribe to my channel right now and then turn on your post and notification icon so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video onto the channel. And please share my videos with your friends and family. Please subscribe. Let's get started. Scoop the butter into the mixing bowl and then cream it for 2 minutes. Now pour into it the granulated sugar and mix it with the hand mixer for at least 3 minutes or until the sugar granules cannot be seen in the butter and sugar mix. Crack the eggs into a bowl and then pour it into the sugar and butter mixture. Now mix it with the rest of the ingredients in the bowl until they are evenly combined. Add in the vanilla essence and then mix it together with the rest of the ingredients. Now place a sieve on top of the bowl and then pour the flour into it. Sift the flour onto the wet ingredients. Now mix the flour with the rest of the wet ingredients. Now pour into the sieve the cornstarch, the baking powder, the baking soda and the salt, and then sift it onto the flour being mixed with the wet ingredients. Add in the condensed milk and then mix everything together until a well-incorporated vanilla cake batter is obtained. Mix the milk and lemon juice mixture with the rest of the ingredients in the bowl. Now add the vinegar to the rest of the milk and lemon juice and then pour it into the halfway mixed cupcake batter. This is the final stages of mixing the cupcake batter. So mix everything together until no more flour streaks are seen in the batter as the mixing is ongoing. Line the cupcake baking sheet with the cupcake papers and then start scooping the batter into each of the cupcake papers lined in the cupcake sheet. And these are the cupcake batters ready to be baked at 160 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes or until a toothpick comes out clean. Our vanilla cupcakes are ready. Arrange them nicely onto a plate as seen in the video. To enjoy this, remove the cupcake paper from it and then break it into two or bite it if you prefer. And this is where today's video ends. Thank you so much for watching. Make it a point to watch our new videos this and every Thursday and Sunday for wholesome content and amazing recipes you can try with your friends and family. This new year, I'll be very glad if you could try any of our recipes and then give feedback on it in the comment section. Also, please subscribe to my channel, turn on your post and notification icon, and then share my videos with your friends and family. Let's all join hands and make this channel grow. Till we meet again, dear viewers. Bye bye.